a handle, you can
Oh,
hold it.
yung aking anak, bibili daw siya ng ano, $15 million.
I mean, it makes sense. There, see, if you actually go there, it's really big. Is it the right one?
For we will not wrestle against flesh and blood, but against principalities, powers, against the rulers of darkness of this age, against spiritual hosts of wickedness in the heavenly places. Lord,
Daming tao. Ganitong oras, ang daming tao. Buti na lang hindi masyadong malamig. Mas malamig pa kaninang maaraw. Kaya good thing nagpunta rin kami. So, dito kami sa inside ng iba-ibang pagkain. Nakikita niyo dito. Oh wow, this is wildlife ornament. If we can go inside. Where? Oh wow, look at stars. You can buy stars. Oh man, ang ganda mga dear. Super cute. Ayan, dito na ang ganapan.
like, no, I'm not going now. You have to order like that. No, I know.
Just Santa's Village?
Yeah.
Wow, this is Santa's Village, so nice.
Hold him.
Wow, this is so cool.
Okay, move out of the
Oh my goodness, ang daming mabili pwede dito. How much is it? Oh, this is so cute. Oh.
Oh, there's pretzels.
Oh, dami ditong makikita mga deer at in. Kahit ikot. Sa park. Wow, this is potato pancakes
From Germany.
from Germany. So, and then the hot chocolate with cream. So, kami nakatayo sa may ilaw dito. Super. Is that good, ate? Yeah? Oh, try this one. Yung doggy, mayroong ano,